So what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to be showing us how to buy Shibnobi or Shinja on Hotbit Exchange. So I actually made a video before now on how to transfer your crypto assets between exchanges, in this case between Gate.io and Hotbit. If you have not watched the video, pause this video now and click the link up there to do so. So if you notice, I have in my wallet section the funds, my fund is showing what 51 USDT. So I was able to transfer 50 USDT from Gate.io to my Hotbit using the Tron network. Why I had to use the Tron network was because there was no charges attached to the Tron network. That's why I love it so much. All right, so you notice that this is my balance. I had 1.90 before now, and this is what I have. So why I had to withdraw 50 USDT, because 50 USDT is the minimum I can withdraw. All right, but in this case we'll be buying Shibnobi from Hotbit. So what you just need to do is to search for the coin Shinja. So it goes by the tracker name Shinja, right? Just like ninja. So I'm just going to favorite it and I'm going to hit what? All right, is that okay? So where are the changer armies? So this video is definitely for you, especially if you're not using Hotbit. The link to register in Hotbit is in the description. Go ahead to register on Hotbit right away. Wow, so hope you've been making profit, hope you've been taking profit. It's one thing to make profit and it's one thing to take profit. So don't hesitate to take profit when you see it, all right? Else the profits can go back to the market. All right, so some people will tell you you should hold, while some people will blame you for selling too early. So sometimes you become so confused, which should I do? All right, so hitting on Shinja now. So I'm going to pause this video and we'll be right at the point of buying Shibnobi. Yeah, so as we can see from here, this is the chart for Shinja and it has just retraced by just 1%. All right, the 24 hours change, so I can check the 1-day view and see how it goes. So this is the 1-day view. So this guy is almost flat. All right, so I just want to AP now and forget about this coin. Is all right. So who knows, it can do another Shiba Inu, no one knows. So I'm just going to risk $20 out of my $50 and see how it goes. So some costs will still come that I'll need to probably use the remaining $30 to just play around with it. So what we just need to do, I'm going to buy at the current market price. So but before I can go ahead to make this trade, I need to convert some of my USDT to this NUSD. All right, so how do I do that, you'll be wondering. I'll now go ahead and click on what? Exchange. So I go to exchange and I want to actually transfer just 20. I just needed to transfer just 20 to that. All right, so you just like swapping using your trust wallets and all that. All right, so I hit on confirm. All right, so it shows success actually, so hopefully it will reflect here. So when it eventually reflects, we are going to use every goddamn of it to buy Shinja. All right, Shinja like ginger. All right, so you just, all right, so it's actually reflected here. So I think the best thing is to download the app. So if you have not registered on Hotbit, go ahead to register right away. I think the app should be more flexible. So but we are making this video using the web interface. So once it has loaded successfully, I'm just going to drag this to the highest level, which is 100%, and it is going to fetch me this amount of Shinja. 100%, drag to 100%. So I hit on buy Shinja. So confirm buy orders. So I'm just going to confirm this right away. So order successful. Right, so it should reflect here. So I'm actually buying 4.07 quad of Shinja. That's crazy. All right, so whatever this is, so I'm just risking $20 in this. So that's basically how to carry out a buy order on Hotbit. The same goes if you want to carry out a sell order on Hotbit. The extra thing that we needed to do here is what we just had to click on exchange and swap some of our USDT to nano USDT. It's alright. So then I had to make sure I drag this guy to the 100% and I was able to buy some. Hope you got value in this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. We'll make several videos on how to buy and sell using gate.io and Binance. Go ahead to check it out in the description. One thing you have to do for us is to support our channel by smashing the subscribe button. Remember to trade responsibly. Peace out.